Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Klarna to add it to Google Pay. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm currently on the Klarna site for businesses, and I will be using its FAQ or the questions to more easily explain this, since I have not used Klarna because it's not available in my country. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So what you're going to need to do to add Klarna to your Google Pay is you're going to need an in-store digital card. That is a single-use virtual card, which is used only for the payment it is made for. And once you use it, it will be deleted and you won't be able to access it again. This is a virtual card that Klarna creates, so you don't have any paperwork or any mumbo jumbo to do. You just follow the instructions and you will be able to use it. But yeah, you'll need the in-store digital card to actually go to add it to Google Pay. Once the card and the amount is authorized, you can add them to Google Pay or Apple Pay just as you would any other card. And once you do, you can make a purchase by using the tap to pay option at the point of sale terminal, as it said here. Within 24 hours of creating the cards are time limited, as you can see, for 24 hours. So make sure you use them in that window of time. But yeah, that's been it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.